Let me know what you guys think about this look, because I'm feeling it a lot. Hi, welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Lunia, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're here for a reason. You're gonna love me, at least I hope. I'm going to be trying a lock updo. You guys know I just love updo. If you haven't noticed by now, updo me please. But yes, so doing something simple. I don't like to make things too complicated for y'all, because I'm just showing you guys styles that you can do at home without having to go to a stylist to get it done. When I first started my lock journey, my biggest problem was I know how to retwist, but I don't know how to style my locks. I spent a couple weeks on YouTube looking at different ways to style my locks, and I'm like, well, I could do this. It's not as hard as I thought. So then I got the basic ideas of styling locks, and so I just started adding my own, you know. So first I'm gonna start by moisturizing my roots, because pretty dry right now, and every time I style my locks, you guys always see me spraying it down first because it's always dry, and I like to work with moisturized hair, you feel me? But this is how my hair looks, all dry in its natural state. You can see my roots. They're pretty thick, you know, new growth. Already need a retwist badly, but I'm not gonna retwist until April. Yeah, middle of April is when I plan to retwist again. So I'm just gonna go grab my spray bottle with my moisturizer and my oil, and I'll be right back. Guys, this is the moisturizer I use. I kind of switch moisturizer. I don't have a set moisturizer I use, so my hair is not picky, so I just use a lot of natural, sulfate free, color safe, you feel me? Because color, but this is a pretty pink and green bottle, my two favorite colors. Let me let you guys see. Okay, and I massage it when I feel like my hair is moisturized enough. Wow, it feels like I'm brushing my dang afro when I had it out. I don't miss it. I don't miss the little pain when you detangling and brushing the fro. I don't miss that pain. But when I used to do my hair, when I used to detangle, I used to shower my hair in coconut oil, because coconut oil was like my main moisturizer I used. So before I did anything, before I washed, I pre-pooled with coconut. Before I did anything, I shower my hair in coconut oil, and it worked. It worked for me. But you see, so I noticed I got a lot of new subbies, and I just want to like give you guys a little backstory on my locks, okay? For you guys that are new here, I started my own locks 2 years ago, September 2018. I forgot the exact date, September 2018. So started my own locks, 2-string twist, left them alone. I washed my hair this year, to be honest with you, I washed it every 2 months, and I retwist every 3 months. So yes, that's what I did. But then on my 6th month, when I interlocked for the first time, my interlock lasted for like a whole nother half a year. So I left my hair alone for majority of my vlog journey, basically. So now we're here today, 2 years, almost 3, and we're flourishing, and we hitting the shoulder, the collarbone, period, sis. 2 years later. Okay, let's get started. Enough of me talking. Always do the edges last, so I'm just gonna braid this regular and not too tight, because I don't know why my scalp feels so sensitive. My locks feel so sensitive. Okay, well, this is it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all liked this style. I really liked it, and I had it for like a few days. So I hope you guys try it and have fun with your locks. And thank you so much for watching my video, and thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not, please subscribe and like my video. I love you guys so much, and have a great night or day.